Hey guys, it's me, Access Lauren, and today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out my very first BOXYCHARM box. Now this is the October 2019 box, and the theme is hashtag Boxy After Dark, which goes perfect for the month of October. And I chose to subscribe to the BOXYCHARM subscription because of the value. You get 5 full-size products valuing over $100, and I spend $21 a month. I think that price changes next month to $25. I'm not really sure. The other good thing is you have 3 different options of boxes. I chose the entry-level box to start off just so that I personally could see the value myself before I decide to upgrade, but I feel like upgrading might be coming up very soon in the near future. Okay, so let's just jump right into the box. Okay, so the first thing we have here is the BOXYCHARM information guide. It has everything you need to know about each of the products in the box. The first one we're going to take a look at is the iconiclondon Prep Set and Glow Spray. This hydrating mist can be used before you put on your makeup as a prep spray. It can be used as a setting spray or just on your bare skin to glow your skin. It says it has extracts of cucumber, chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E. It's 100% vegan, and it combats the look of dark circles and leaves your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. It is a very pretty spray. Isn't that pretty? But I've already prepped my skin, so let's just go ahead and throw it on and see what happens. My hair is gonna curl up. Okay. I don't know what is it supposed to? Maybe my face needs to dry. Or should I press it in with like a beauty blender? I don't know. It smells refreshing. I think, honestly, I feel it drying into my skin and it feels good. I think I'm gonna just leave it. I don't need to do anything to it. Feels good. I think it would feel really good after like you wash your face and you just wanna go out with a natural face and have a natural glow. You just kind of Okay, so the next item we have is the Go-To Beauty 24 Karat Gold Sheet Mask. It says that it is used for anti-wrinkling, skin firming and lifting, hydrating, and repairing. You only see one here because I did sneak and use one earlier before I put my makeup on, and I can definitely tell the difference. It felt like I had a really good primer on before I put my foundation on, so I feel like it really did a good job. So they came with 2. They're only good for 1 use, and the suggested retail price is $19 for the 2. Okay, so next we have the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. So I don't really use brow gels usually. I just color my eyebrows in with a pencil. I just tried to outline them right now so that we can use this and see if it makes a difference or if it's something that I can add to my daily routine. So let's check it out. I'm not sure if I did that how I was supposed to. It says it is supposed to tame and tint your brows, and it's a lightweight non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator for the perfectly groomed eyebrows, and it's perfect to use over the pencils and powders. Okay, so the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel retails for $16. This is something that I probably wish I didn't open so that I could have given it away as a gift to someone else. Not because I hate the product, just because it's something that I typically just do not use. Next, here comes our Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This is in the Sassy Siennas. And here's the thing about these. This is out of my comfort zone. When I took the beauty quiz on the BOXYCHARM website, I told them like keep me as close to neutrals and nudes as possible. I guess this is kind of neutrals, but it's kind of scary. So I'm gonna try it for the first time right here. So please don't laugh if it doesn't turn out the way that we want it to. So on the back, here's the colors: Stay Sassy, Brassy, Foxy, Bossy, and Oh So Sassy. So I love the color names on the back here. And then it says it is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and talc-free, which is really good. So let's just dig in and see what we can do with these. Don't laugh. So first I'm going to use a really light cream color that's not in the palette just to give me a nice clean base to work with before I add the Dose of Colors palette. I'm gonna start with Foxy. I'm gonna throw Foxy on first because this to me looks like the most comfortable shade. Foxy. Oh my god. Like, this is very pigmented. I'm so nervous. Okay, so far so good with that. I do my lid and then I do my crease. Let's do Brassy. We're gonna do Brassy for the lid color. For the lid color, I'm gonna use their little brush. And this is Brassy here. I am like catching the vibe though of these colors. I think I would have preferred either the smoky palette, the cool one, or I think they have like a really nude palette. I would have preferred those. But this is forcing me to step out of my comfort zone, so let's just keep going. Alright, next I'm going to put in my crease Stay Sassy. That's this color here. Alright, so underneath I'm going to go ahead and take the same Stay Sassy and try to work it under my lid. Maybe I can take it over. Kind of go back in and darken this up just a little bit more. So it's kind of different. It's definitely not my typical style, but I mean, for $21, like I said, to get all this cool stuff that I wouldn't have normally had, it's completely worth it. Okay, so now we can move on to our final product. I feel like, okay, I really do like the eyeshadow. I feel like it's bringing out my eyes a lot more. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so now we can move on to our final product, which is our Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. So this product says it is a vegan mascara that is not only waterproof, but does not flake or transfer, and that's what I need in my life. So let's try this out. Oh my gosh, it's so itty bitty for your bottom lashes. I'm so excited. And what I'm more excited about is, like, a lot of mascaras, when you put it on your bottom lash, it flakes and falls out so bad that you start to look like you have really dark circles under your eyes because it starts to like bleed out a little bit. So I'm excited to try this. Let's check out the top one. Yay, and it's big. So let's check it out. So I'm gonna start with my top lashes first. Well, you can tell the difference right away. I like it. Very pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try the bottom lash. This cute little one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh! I mean, it gets all the way in the crevices. Yes! I love it. Okay. This is spectacular. Alrighty guys, so this is my final look after unboxing my October box. Actually, I'm kind of happy about it because honestly, this is stuff that I would have never tried on my own, and it kind of forces you to get outside of your comfort zone and try something different. Like when I first saw the Dose of Colors palette, I got nervous, but I can see how if I really wanted to like tweak this look out and add a little bit of like, here, actually, let me go ahead. This is how I would wear it. I would wear it like this. Because matte is cool and all, but I think a mixture of mattes and shimmer really complements each other and brings the other thing out, you know? So I don't think you necessarily have to like have a whole matte eye. Just having something that'll just kind of pop out. Yeah. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm using because this video is all about the products that I got from my box, so don't worry about it. But I'm just telling you how I would use these, like what else I would do to it, because just because you have a palette doesn't mean you have to use only that palette to, you know, to complete your look. So I'm not sure if you could tell the difference. You know, so really I love the box. I enjoyed the box. I'm super excited for next month's box because next month the minimum that you're gonna receive in your box for your $25 is gonna be $125, at least $125 worth of products. So I'm super excited. I'm happy about it. I'm excited. I can't wait to get my next box. Okay guys, I had fun unboxing my October BOXYCHARM box with you guys. If you want to know how you can get your hands on one, the information will be listed in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, I'm open to all that stuff and I try to respond to everyone. And if you guys are on Twitter or IG or Facebook, go ahead and follow me at AccessLauren, and I try my best to follow you back. All right, until next time, have a blessed day.